Welcome to the Auto Vault. Today, we bring you the Suzuki Truck, a compact yet highly practical vehicle designed for efficiency, durability, and versatility. Suzuki has produced various small trucks over the years, including the Suzuki Carry, Super Carry, and Equator, catering to both urban and off-road needs. Let's dive into its design, engine, performance, features, and utility in detail. 1. Design. Compact yet capable. Suzuki trucks are known for their small footprint and high utility, making them perfect for city transport and light-duty work. Key design highlights include boxy yet functional exterior for maximum cargo space, short wheelbase for easy maneuverability in tight spaces, flatbed and pickup variants for different transport needs, lightweight chassis for improved fuel efficiency. Available in both rear-wheel and four-wheel drive configurations. 2. Engine and performance. Built for efficiency. Suzuki trucks focus on fuel efficiency and reliability, offering small but capable engines. Suzuki Carry. 0.6L 3-cylinder engine, Japan, or 1.2L engine, global markets. Super Carry. 1.2L petrol engine with 72 HP, ideal for commercial use. Suzuki Equator midsize pickup, 2.5L 4-cylinder, 152 HP, or optional 4.0L V6, 261 HP. Transmission. 5-speed manual or automatic, varies by model. Fuel economy. 15 to 20 km/L, Suzuki Carry, 12 to 15 km/L, Suzuki Equator. The small trucks are designed for city deliveries, while the Equator, based on Nissan Frontier, offers rugged off-road capability. 3. Interior and features. Basic yet functional. Inside, Suzuki trucks prioritize simplicity and practicality, featuring basic but durable dashboard with essential controls, manual air conditioning and heating for comfort, utility-based seating for easy entry and exit, digital or analog instrument cluster with fuel economy indicators, storage compartments for tools and small items. 4. Utility and cargo capacity. Ideal for small businesses. Suzuki trucks are widely used for logistics, farming, and city deliveries due to lightweight body allowing for high payload capacity, flatbed versions with foldable sides for easy loading, compact dimensions making them perfect for narrow streets, heavy-duty suspension for carrying cargo on uneven roads. 5. Safety. Basic but reliable. Suzuki ensures safety and durability, even in small trucks. Reinforced cabin for impact protection, seat belts and optional driver's side airbags, anti-lock braking system (ABS) in modern models, rear parking sensors in select variants. 6. Pricing and market availability. Suzuki Carry, new, starting at $6,000 minus $10,000. Suzuki Super Carry, around $8,000 minus $12,000. Suzuki Equator discontinued, used market $8,000 minus $18,000. Suzuki trucks remain popular in Asia, Latin America, and Africa, with compact truck markets appreciating their affordability and efficiency. Final thoughts. Suzuki trucks. Small but mighty. Whether you need a light-duty work truck for deliveries or an off-road capable pickup like the Equator, Suzuki offers reliable, fuel-efficient, and cost-effective solutions. Would you consider buying a Suzuki truck? Let us know in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe to the Auto Vault for more reviews. Thank you very much.